Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for digital flex printing business. So here our objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my digital flex printing business, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I will use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration, for that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen. And today we are going to see that how I can instantly keep records of all my Facebook leads for my digital printing flex business in Google Sheets. So this is my Facebook page for my digital printing flex business and it is named as Pixel Print. And to promote this business, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to keep records of all my leads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my digital printing flex business, then instantly I want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet and I want this to happen automatically. So for this, I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for digital flex printing business. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here I have two boxes, Trigger and Action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And Trigger says when this happens, Action says do this. So Trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and Action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. So here in my browser, I have already logged into my Facebook account. So it has detected that. So I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have these two details. First is of page and second one is of lead gen form. So I need to select my page and lead generation form here. So for this, let's go to Facebook. So this is my Facebook page and it is named as Pixel Print. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this menu and I will open Meta Business Suite. And in this, I will go to all tools and I will find this instant forms. So I'm going to open this and here I have this one form which is named as new form. So I'm going to show you this and this is my form and I have these details here, full name, email and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to map all these details. So my page is of Pixel Print and for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So I'm using Pixel Print, so I'm going to select this. And for the lead generation form, I will do the same. Open this tab and you will find the form that are connected with your page. So I'm going to select this. And here we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. Now here, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, one thing that I need to keep in my mind is that my lead generation form should be live. And to make the sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer, and I have to create a sample submission of my lead. So for this, let's go to Meta for Developer. Here, I will click on More and I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here I have these two details, page and the form. So my page is pixel print and my form is new form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Preview Form button and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form so that I can create a sample submission and I can create a demo lead. So for that, I'll click here. So this is my form and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be test user and my email will be testuser@pablitudes.com and I will give a random phone number. So this is going to be my phone number that I'm going to use, and I will click on next and I will click on submit. So I have submitted this form and I have created this new lead. Now I will go back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see we have received this new response. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pablitudes.com and we have this random phone number. So these are the details of my new lead and I have captured these details. Now I want to use these details and I want to add these details automatically in my Google Sheet to keep a lead records. So for that, I will set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application will be Google Sheets. I'm going to select this and I have to select my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. Now we'll connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now I will click on allow to give access to my account and my connection here is successful. Now to add these details in my Google Sheet, I have to fill all these details. So first I have to select my spreadsheet. So I will go back to my Google Sheet and here I'm going to use this particular spreadsheet and it is named as Facebook Leads. And I'm using sheet 1 here and I have these 3 columns, full name, email and the phone number. So I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab and in this tab you will find all the spreadsheets that you have in your Google Sheet account. Now I'm going to select this Facebook Leads spreadsheet. Now that my spreadsheet is selected, I have to fill these details and I'm going to add these details automatically in the column in my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to map these details and I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads and I have to map my full name. So this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map my email address. Now the phone number. So I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response and I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. So in my Google Sheet, I can see that I have added this new row and the full name is test user. Email is testuser@pablitudes.com and I have this random phone number. So these are the same details that I have created as a new lead in my Facebook lead ads and I have added these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, I'm going to use Meta for Developer again. So I'll go back there. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead and I'm going to preview this form again. And one more time, I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be new user, email will be, and I will give a random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So my form is submitted and I have created this new lead. Now I will go back to my Google Sheet. And here we can see I have automatically added new lead details in my Google Sheet. So these are the same details that we have just created as a new lead in my Facebook lead ads. And these are the lead details of my digital flag printing business. And the full name is new user, email is newyuser@pablitudes.com and this is the random phone number. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet in such a way that whenever I'm getting new Facebook leads for my digital flex printing business in Facebook lead ads, then I'm adding all these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I've set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.